It wasn't that big because North Carolina took the brunt of it. North Carolina took the stuffing out of the storm. It never reorganized when it got back over the land. And that storm just missed North Carolina or just brushed the outer banks and didn't stay over for almost 12 hours. This would have been a much bigger deal for New York City. Let me tell you, a much, much bigger deal. So let's go to New York City. Let's go up here. Let's go to Pine Brook. Let's take a look at the rivers here. They are rising in many spots. They are at record levels. There's Pine Brook.